So this is the result of
No toll.
no toll.
You're under the bridge.
We're traveling below the highway.
The toll, yeah.
Plus 30 minutes or more ng biyahe. So we're 8 kilometers past the gasoline station ng car rental company. Gasoline naman sabi niya, di ba?
Yeah.
So, straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Straight ahead naman siya.
For
Haba ng
1.3
total.
kilometers.
Hindi, green naman siya. Yan eh. Yeah.
Red ka.
Red. So, what have you learned?
I'm sleepy.
Okay.
I've learned that we should get a car with ATC next time.
Oo nga. Yung
With
car
air
rentals
condition.
na yung magandang sa Osaka to Tokyo eh. Charge lang. You'll be shocked lang pagdating ng billing. 20,000 yen. But it's comfortable. Diba?
It's convenient.
Okay.
8 kilometers more. Turn right tayo, ha? I'll
So,
just follow the line.
Sa 8 kilometers na naman, di ba?
12 minutes. 2:50. Meron pa tayong time. 3:50 na, di ba? To 3:30, di ba?
3:30. Actually, kung 3 o'clock, di photo finish tayo. Just like yung ginawa namin ni Anya. Pero may allowance pa sila daw. So, usually mga car rentals. Yung iba, to 1 hour pa kayo. Ready naman. Yung sinadya nila ito palagi nag-stop yung red dito ba? Para gusto mong mag-toll talaga. Dapat kasi sabay-sabay siya. Green, green, green. Ito naman sabay-sabay red, red, red.
I don't think no one takes the Dantol, so they don't find it it's convenient, or they find it worth the time to change. Exactly. Let's make the light simultaneous. So you're supposed to run 50 lang naman eh. Except the guy here is running 89.
Ay, sunod ako sa kanila. Hindi mo? I'm just following their